Okay, so I opened up the kit that is used to replace the glass for the camera lens on the iPhone. And also, if you look at the description for this video, I'll have links to all of this stuff. These are really inexpensive. This was maybe $10, $15 or something like that. And just as I said before, make sure that you get the proper kit for the right iPhone that you have. So I'm using an iPhone 11 in this particular video, but if you have an iPhone 13 or 12 or 10 or whatever, they'll have special kits for each one of those. And the difference is that, as you know, iPhone 10, I believe, only has one lens. iPhone 13 has two lenses. And on this particular phone, there are also, actually, iPhone 13 has three lenses. iPhone 11 has just two lenses, and you can see the different replacement glass. They basically have the two different types of lens glass covers, and they have a spare for one of them. So that comes in a little container. The other things that come in this kit, there's a little cleaner cloth, which is great, a dry wipe on here, and then also a wet wipe here to clean off excess dirt and glass shards and stuff like that. And then most important of all, these little neat little tools. So here's a little pair of pincers or tweezers to get off the bits of loose glass. There is an X-Acto knife, which you can also use to scrape stuff away. And then also this little kind of like a plastic pen, which you can use to, poke stuff around or pry stuff off. Now, one thing I want to say when you are doing this with your iPhone is make sure that you do not touch the lens underneath if you can avoid it. So that you can, I don't know if you can see it that well. There's the glass cover. Maybe this is clear. There's a glass cover, then underneath there's a lens. So we're only touching the glass on this one, which is broken, as you can see. But we do not want to touch the lens underneath, which is perfectly good, which is why we're just replacing the glass.